Okay, and hello to Techno Wanderers, and welcome to the repair of the Nikko Velocitrax. So if you remember from our Inside the Nikko Velocitrax video, the gear in this car ground down, like the one in the middle of the gearbox, and that pretty much ended its life. So I managed to 3D print a new gear for it, and I'm going to be telling you how you can do too if your car breaks in the same way as this. Okay, if you don't have a 3D printer, you can, the file will be down below, and you can send it off to a printing company, and they'll print it for you if you don't have your own 3D printer. If you do, then the file is down below, it's free, and you can print it. Okay, so first of all, you're going to have to open up your car like this. So you take off the top, this gearbox will be like this, it will have the wheel on the end there. If you watch it inside the Nikko Velocitrax video, you get a better insight into how this all works. So you've got to open up this gearbox, or whichever gearbox, it's either this one or this one, whichever side is broken, open up that one. And so in here you have the little metal gear here from the motor, and you also have this gear which goes out the side here and feeds through to the wheel. Now, it's usually, well, in my car, it was this gear which broke. The top bit here just ground down completely, and it ended the car, as I said. That was just a result of the car being too powerful for this nylon gear. So, once you've 3D printed or ordered your new gear, you have to drill through this bottom plate, because this bottom plate will most likely be intact. It's not this bit you need to replace. It's just this bit. This will be the bit that's broken. And since this part is perfect anyway, there's no point trying to 3D print a new one. It just won't be as accurate. So you've got to drill through the old middle gear in the broken gear, and then you have to sand out or file out or cut, if you can, 4 little grooves. If you see here, the 4 little grooves, see how it's a sort of got little bits going out of it. That's so it locks in. If you don't have that, as I found out, when you start up the car, it will just rip clean through it and it will come immediately out. So you have to get this interlocking teeth in the gear here. So you need to cut out 4 little bits here, and then do this once you've got the replacement gear, so then you can mark it out perfectly. Slide this in. If, like me, you lost the little bit of stick bar which goes in here, then just get a barbecue skewer like this, cut it off, scrape it down a little bit so that it fits in nicely. Once you've done that, you can simply put in the old gear again, or put in your newly modified gear, and then this one slides back into there, and just put that back over there. You need to make sure your stick goes in that little gap there, and then it'll close up nicely and should spin. It doesn't sound as, well, it's a little bit louder than the original one, but it does work quite nicely. I've just been out testing it. I can't guarantee the durability will be any more, but hopefully it will live up to the standard of the old one at least. So once you've done that, you can reassemble your car, and it should work if you followed the steps correctly. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more, and goodbye.